to another 1 Monroe Minute. Today we're going to be taking a look at extruded rubber seals. Extruded rubber seals are leak-preventing seals that are characterized by their manufacturing process, which includes heating raw rubber and forcing it through a die, which changes the rubber shape. These seals are specifically manufactured for applications requiring continuous lengths and uniform cross-section, unlike traditional seals. They're secured to prevent liquids, gases, or air from leaking out of connection points. They're widely used for various sealing applications due to their flexibility, resilience, and ability to withstand different environmental conditions. These seals can also be made from various types of rubber, including natural rubber, silicone, nitrile, neoprene, and EPDM, each offering different properties such as heat resistance, chemical resistance, and durability. Extruded rubber seals also have benefits that make them more fitting for certain applications over regular seals. For example, extruded rubber seals are heat resistant and can withstand extreme temperatures without failing. They also support customization for specific applications. They can be customized to meet specific requirements, including a variety of shapes, sizes, and profiles. Finally, another benefit of extruded rubber seals is their longevity. These seals are much more durable and can also last much longer than traditional seals. In the automotive industry, extruded rubber seals are used for door, window, and trunk seals. The construction and industrial industry use them for sealing joints to protect against dust, moisture, and other environmental elements. The aerospace and aviation industries use them for doors, windows, and other components due to their ability to withstand extreme temperatures and pressures. They're also used in the healthcare field and in medical devices for their non-reactive properties. Be sure to get in touch with one of our sales engineers to find out more about extruded rubber seals. Thanks for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future, and we'll see you next time with another 1 Monroe Minute.